Hi, my name is Philippi. Growing up in the city of North Lauderdale, Florida, I would always be the one behind the camera lens. Now, fast forward is a continuation of a dream. Every young man, every young girl has a dream. During COVID, a reflective moment for many, I began to envision how to breathe life into my dream. After a few projects in productions, I noticed the kids had a strong hunger to learn. Then came COVID. That something resurfaced, moving me to start a non-for-profit organization with a great curriculum surrounding multimedia. That non-for-profit organization is called QVP 21st Century, Youth Elevation and Inspiration. This way I can also do what I always wanted to do, return and give back to my community.